Co-developed with a panel of North America's premier flooring prep contractors and designed for today's largest commercial projects. It's the industry-leading flooring preparation system for all floor coverings. CustomTech from Custom Building Products, the brand flooring contractors have trusted since 1964. Engineered to exceed the most stringent requirements, CustomTech products deliver exceptional strength, durability, and ease of use. CustomTech offers real solutions to the challenges contractors face on the job every day. Whether it's a common issue like young concrete or the challenge of pumping leveler up 60 stories in high-rise construction, this full line of flooring prep products incorporates the most advanced technologies available. With a range of high-flow self-leveling underlayments, versatile primers, moisture vapor control, and fast-curing patches, CustomTech has you and your substrate fully covered. Innovative levelers featuring low prep technology can eliminate the need for shot blasting, cut your floor prep timeline in half, and speed concrete pours, leveler application, and flooring installations. All CustomTech levelers offer superior handling and outstanding flow retention for precise placement. These superfluid formulas can be barrel mixed or pumped to scale for applications of all sizes. CustomTech offers a job site silo program for use with barrels, batch mixing, or inline pumps. Premium quality CustomTech subfloor preparation systems can be used under vinyl, wood, rubber, carpet, tile, and any other floor covering. CustomTech primers and levelers prevent common installation problems like bond failure, crumbling, or staining of resilient flooring. A fast cure time means many floor coverings can be installed in just 4 hours. CustomTech Flooring Prep has been installed on some of the most ambitious projects in North America. These commercial and industrial sites include airports, sports arenas, healthcare facilities, retail shopping centers, and high-rises. Backed by Custom Building Products, the system is eligible for up to a 25-year warranty. When it comes to subfloor preparation, count on CustomTech, the comprehensive system featuring low prep technology. To learn how CustomTech products can speed your next install, visit CustomTechFlooring.com or call 800-272-8786.